Okay, y'all, today we are going to fix a tail light. Well, we're not going to fix it, we're just going to change the light. So, y'all can help me out. Okay, I'm at Wally World, and I'm sorry, but I never walk in and just find what I need. Guess what? Bing, bing, bing. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Ha. Okay, so I got the little light bulbs from Wally World, and all we got to do, whoop, hold on, unscrew. Whoops. Yeah, this is loose. I'm gonna have to do something about that too, but not today. All right, one screw. Alright, so that's what that looks like. Now, this is not a Suzuki stock. This is a aftermarket. My other light, literally, this part here, the rubber bushing, this part and this part broke. So it's literally hanging. Looked great. Let me tell you, looked really good. So, the regular stock ones were really expensive, so I ended up buying these aftermarket ones off somebody off Marketplace for like 15 bucks. I figure if they don't work, hey, it's only 15 bucks, right? So, this is one of those little, you just push it in, twist it. And voila, we have a tail light. Now people, or not tail light, a blinker. People can see my right turn signal now. Of course, it probably burned out because I don't know if y'all saw the other video, but apparently my official biker name is Blinker. I'll give you one guess. One guess why. And the world's worst for turning off my tail light, so I should probably really invest in some more lights. Oh, these tail lights are, the chrome's coming off, the little paint plastic. That's okay, because I got me some chrome duct tape. What I call it, West Virginia, what, I forget, one of my friends called it West Virginia something, I forget. West Virginia chrome. Here's North Carolina chrome. How's that? Around here, if you can't fix it with duct tape and zip ties, it can't be fixed. We MacGyver that stuff. Alright. Alright. Ding ding. We have a tail light. Alright, let me take that back. Ding ding. We have a turn signal. Bing. Alright. Huh. You know, it ain't yours until you work on it, right? So, it may just be a light, but I did it. Oh, I do this too. Oh well. That's it for today's tutorial.